Whether you're at a party or kicking back at home this New Year's Eve, we are sharing some champagne cocktails to help you celebrate the arrival of 2023. Certified sommelier Erin Henderson is here teaching us how to whip up some delicious, and the key here is hassle-free.
Hassle-free.
That's right, cocktails. And we've got a non-alcoholic option as well.
And we do. And non-alcoholic, totally alcoholic. We're going to get to it
everything.
all.
We've got everything.
We're going to get to it all.
So what is the first drink that we are mixing?
Okay, this is a classic Kir Royale. Only 2 ingredients.
Okay.
And you want to see how we do it? It's so pretty. It's so elegant. All I'm going to do... Oh, I'm sorry. How about I tell you exactly what it is? This is simply a beautiful French cocktail. You use cassis liqueur. So that's a blackberry liqueur. And then we just top it up with a little bit of bubbly.
And I've got the bubs?
Okay, you've got the bubs.
Okay, so then you put that in first.
So I'm just going to put in about an ounce or 2.
What does that taste like just on its own? Is it really...
Well,
can I smell
you want us to have a little taste of that?
Yeah, I got to be careful with my white.
Oh, yeah, be very careful.
Okay, so there you've got that.
But I've got a really great laundry trick on how to take out stains.
Okay, as I'm pouring, how do you do that?
Well, it actually comes from a great book that I picked up in the summertime, and basically you need to get sodium percarbonate, a little bit of soaking, and then you throw it in the wash, no problem.
Really?
Yeah.
Sodium what?
Sodium percarbonate.
Okay, percarbonate.
Yeah, percarbonate.
All right, so then what happens?
So chintzy.
Oh, really?
Get a little...
Okay, I know I should probably tilt that glass a
Okay,
little
so
bit.
this is just a mixture, very easy. Why get stuck behind the bar? Top it up with 1 or 2 blackberries. Why get stuck behind the bar? And when you could be at the party, take a sip of that and tell me.
You know what? It's very dramatic.
It is.
Yeah, and it would show
like
that
you
with
and
you. Ready? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good.
It's nice, right?
That's really good.
Yeah, like it's fruity.
It's so different. Cheers.
Oh, santé.
Okay.
To 2023.
Here we go. That's unexpected.
Yeah, I like that.
I like the drama of it all.
Okay.
Okay, what is this? The French?
French 75. So this is, as I said, I love all my children, but this has to be one of my very favorite cocktails. So this is what I'm going to get you to do. Into a shaker filled with ice, I'm going to get you to pour in, we've got simple syrup, we've got lemon juice, and we've got brandy. Okay. Now, the original cocktail might even call for gin, but I don't like gin with sparkling wine. I love sparkling wine, I love gin, I don't like the 2 of them together. So I want you to pour those 3 into
Any order, doesn't matter?
Nope, just pop them right in.
Okay. Hey guys, how's your 2022? Did you have a good year?
You know, hopefully you're getting lots of tips as people are making it up.
That's
and then I'm going to get you to give it a good shake.
Okay.
You're going to just do this to chill it down. Try to mind the soup. Yep. Oh, you got the pro look.
Woo! Do I?
You do. You look really good.
Is it because of my headpiece? I like yours, by the way.
I like yours because I don't know if you can pick it up, but I can see how yours lights up in a really festive way.
I'm all lit up.
I like that mine has a little bit more rhinestone.
Yeah, yours a little bit more subdued.
Well,
okay, so now what?
Well, let's try and get the lid off that. I want you to pour it up to about here into that glass.
There? Okay.
It does dig into my head, but I feel like the pain is worth it.
Well, then that's what the drinks are for.
Exactly. No? Okay, so that's perfect. Okay. Yep. So now we've got this mixture, and what I'm going to use here, this is called Crémant. So this is actually from Lemieux, but this is a Crémant de Lemieux. So this is a sparkling wine that's made in the same style as champagne, but from elsewhere in France. Obviously, in this particular case, it's Lemieux. Because sometimes you don't want to use champagne as much as we love it. Oh,
that's a party!
Yeah.
Every time we overflow, that's the sound. Oops.
Okay, sometimes we don't want to use champagne when that's the sound of a party happening.
Because it can be a little bit expensive,
right? It can be a little bit expensive.
So this is a great alternative.
Crémant is a really great alternative. They usually come in around $20. So there.
$20.
Yeah.
Okay, so there you go.
Around that.
Okay, are we gonna try this one on?
We're gonna try this one too.
Okay, you try that one. I tried this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try your handiwork. Let's see what happens.
Thank you.
I got
Ready?
the drippy one.
Cheers. Happy New Year. Let's pretend. Happy New Year. Okay, here we go.
Is that bad luck to say it beforehand?
Oh, I can see why the French 75 is the good.
Isn't it the
go-to?
option?
Yeah. I'm gonna take this with me.
No, you should.
Because we're going into the non-alcoholic category. I love the name of this. What is it? Ruby?
The Ruby Sunset.
Love that.
Now, I learned this from a bartender in Toronto, probably back in 2012 or 2015, and I've been making it ever since. This is a non-alcoholic. What we do is we muddle some mint with some simple syrup. We've got some cranberry juice. We top it with some tonic and some soda. Now, for those who are imbibing, what I love about this as well is that for the kids in our family, they like it when they get a quality cocktail, right?
That's delicious.
Isn't it yummy? It's bright, it's fresh, it's so good. And if you wanted to, you could put Prosecco in it for those who are.
Right. That is so refreshing, which is exactly how we want to hit 2023.
Yeah.
Hit it. I can ask the girls to come up because we need to toast the final Friday of 2022.
We do.
We're going to get them to come up. Erin, thank you so much. I always love it when you're here. We'll be. Oh, look who's here. They're going to cruise in. We're going to take a break and we're going to toast on the other side.
Drinking.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this, be sure to subscribe here, or you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.